Oh, look at that! That is so cool! I love that one. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. We are doing something new today, and that is nail extension gel. So if you want to see how I made these nails, just keep on watching. Let's start off with the materials I used today, and I'm working with the nail extension gel kit from Macart, a pink sparkle gel nail polish from Gelin. I also used some alcohol, napkins, nail clippers, and clear nail polish. I'm also using a sheen nail gel from Melody Susie and a UV lamp from LKE. So you just want to start off by nail filing your nails on both of your hands. That means on top and on the sides of them. You really just want to make sure they're prepped for the adhesion of the nail gel to your nails. You then want to go ahead and grab some alcohol and a napkin and clean up your nails to remove any of the excess grit or debris on them from nail filing them down. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and get the base coat from the nail extension gel kit and apply a thin layer to your nails. Then you can place your hand under the UV lamp for about 60 to 99 seconds. You want to repeat the process for your other hand as well. And your nails may feel a bit tacky or sticky when they're done, and that's okay because that's what you want, for the nail gel to stick to your nails properly. You want to then choose the correct nail mold size for each of your fingernails. I used the same 5 nail molds for both my hands. You're also going to want a bit of alcohol accessible to you so that you can clean your brush between nail applications and more easily maneuver the nail gel. So first you squeeze the nail gel onto the spatula end of the brush and transfer the gel onto the nail mold. Then you use the brush side to shape the gel to the mold. And as a side note, I would really only use the amount needed for your desired nail length. We made sure to cover the whole nail mold, and that was way too long for me, and it made it harder to shape my nails afterwards. So just make sure to keep that in mind when you're using this. Once your mold is ready, simply place it to your fingernail and push down a little to make sure it fits just right. However, if you notice, when you push down on the nail mold, some of the nail gel comes out through the sides. You can remove it by simply placing your brush into your alcohol solution, then wiping the excess gel away. I did not do that, and after the gel had cured, it was hard to remove and it was hard to make my nail look nice. Once your nail mold is how you want it, go ahead and place your finger under the UV lamp for about 99 seconds. You then just want to repeat the steps for all of your fingers. I was lucky enough to have my sister-in-law help me with this process, but that in no way means you can't do this on your own. It's really easy once you get the hang of it. After all your nails have set and cured, it is time to remove the nail mold from your fingers. I did feel a bit pressure on my nails, but I didn't feel any pain from the removal. You really just kind of want to wiggle the nail mold from side to side, and then as it kind of loosens, pull or pop it off of your fingernail. And just to be sure the nails were all the way done, I did put them under the UV lamp for another 99 seconds. We then grabbed a napkin with alcohol to clean up the nail molds so they were ready for use the next time we wanted them. Once I was sure the nails were set, we added the top coat and placed them back in the UV lamp for another 99 seconds. This time, the top of your nails should not be tacky or sticky, but hard and smooth. Now it's time to shape. If you like your nails long, then by all means make them long. But I don't, so I was aiming for some short coffin-shaped nails. I started off using the nail file, but that was too time consuming, so I decided to clip them to shape with the nail clippers and then use the nail drill to make them nice and smooth on the sides. And this is what they look like during the process, and there's a lot of excess nail gel on the cuticle and the sides of my fingers, so I definitely went back to clean them up as best as I could. Once you're satisfied with the shape of your nails, you can leave them as is. But I wanted them to sparkle, so I decided to add some shiny pink gel nail polish to them. And this is the final look. No, they're definitely not perfect, and I did chip some of the gel off as I tried to remove any excess nail gel from my skin. But I think they still came out looking pretty nice, and they definitely look better from far away. Stay tuned if you want to hear a review of how the nails held up for me. But as always, thank you for watching, thank you for listening, don't forget to subscribe, and until next week.